New windshield replacement on the Dodge Cummins. It's all cracked up. Came to get a new one down here in Detroit. Got the Cummins out here. New windshield replacement. Yeah. I got the Cummins out here looking good in the shop. Put a new windshield in. 130 bucks in Detroit. Check them out. I'll put the link in my bio. Really good company. This one's, what's, you said this is the original windshield?
Yeah.
Damn, old. Original. We're getting her. Yeah, I know. And she's coming up. There we go. There she is. She's out. She's out. Getting it right. Here's my new windshield going in. Got the freshie. He's getting everything nice and sealed over there off the window, all the old seals and shit. About to put her on, about to look nice. Nice fresh windshield, can't beat it. I'm telling you, come holla at me guys. Dude, here's my old one, all cracked. All cracked up. All the old stickers on it. Yeah, the guy got the truck from before me. The one owner that had it before me, he used to drive it to the last one back on the fifth wheel once a year. So it didn't see a lot of salt or snow. Maybe in Alaska it did, but she's looking good though. Up. Seals are all out. Got my nice cover off eBay. 20 bucks, can't beat it. coming together. The old Cummins. Next is the motor mods. I'm about to do a colder intake horn. We got right here a vandalized case. Somebody threw a brick through the front windshield of the Mustang. Blew it out. Got on top of the roof, stomping on it. Broke the back windshield. Wow. 5.0 Mustang. Not sure on the year. Windshield's gone. Bent. These guys have fixed anything. Then we got the dually over here. Looks like it got hit by a semi truck. Whew. Look at the stands. Damn, son. Window blown out. Bed's blown out. Stand still. Oh. Out here in the D, 6 mile. No glass in. Fresh glass. Windshield. 3. Holy shit. Oh. So what does this do right here?
This is staging cup. You know, you can control the glass.
Oh yeah, move it where you want it.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then I can, when I set it with this.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, when you pick it up, yeah. There you go.
I control the glass like crazy.
Heck yeah, you put it where you want it. It ain't going where it's wanting to go.
We're in the spot right there.
Yes, sir. Looking good. It's looking good. Oh yeah. New windshield, fresh windshield, ready to go.